Learn to create a pillow in 1 minute. Scale the default cube to get a flattened version of your pillow. Create loop cuts horizontally and vertically with Ctrl-R. The more the laggier, so I'll just go with 10 right now. Now subdivide the pillow with Ctrl-2 and change the setting to simple. Head over to the Physics tab and choose Cloth. Check Pressure and change the value to 3. Scroll down until you find Field Weights and change Gravity to 0. Now press spacebar to play the simulation and press spacebar again when you are happy with the shape. Shade Smooth when done and press Object, then convert to Mesh. Select the center edge loop and scale it inwards. Add a texture to finish. Like that smash button.